Hi everyone, sorry for my voice. In today's video we are gonna put this small motor, which is a small water pump itself, to a real test and see what that does. The motor itself, it is 12 volts and it is stating it is pumping between 600 and 800 liters per hour, and we are gonna pump this 500 liter to that 500 liter water storage. So I'm simply gonna use this 12 volt battery to connect, and I have some charging cables which are coming from a solar panel, and I need to put it closer because I have extended the cable of that pump, but it's still not sufficient. So this is to the minus, this is to the plus. And for that water pump I have already added a quick connector, which is this one, and that quick connector helps to attach this pipe, which I will connect closely from here to there. Sorry for the noise, that's part of the natural environment. So I simply need to connect this one and connect the wires. So the light blue for me is the plus as far as I can remember, and this is the minus. It's not a very safe connection, it's a loose connection, and if you can hear, this pump is already working. So if I pull that there in, but it is not fully sufficient, and the other end in that box, then we should see that the water in here is flowing. It's not a really huge flow, but it is sufficient. And if the math is correct, let's check now the time. We have around 500 liters. I don't know if you can see that. It's around 500 liters, and it is 16:04. So let's check back that in a couple of minutes, maybe an hour or so. So it is almost exactly 1 hour went by. Let's check our tanks. If you see, this still has some small water inside, but the other one is almost filled. Even though if it's not exactly in the specs as they told, it is pretty good. Like it did almost 500 liter in an hour. So yeah, that's the real case. Like the data sheet says one thing, and the real situation is totally different, and the water is still flowing. It's almost full. So yeah, if you would see similar videos in the future, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and leave your comments below. Thank you very much. Wish you a great day.